Hello and welcome. You are watching I Know How. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Samsung TV not displaying anything, or there is no power, there is no red light, there is no standby light as well. Basically it's a fault of a power board. We're going to look onto it, and also we will see any other things we can rectify inside. Before we begin, please press the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for the instant updates. After you have removed your power cable and then the TV stand, now we're gonna remove the number of screws as shown in the picture. I'm gonna use the electric one, basically a Phillips screwdriver. You can use the manual one as well. First of all, there is a 3 long screws. I'm going to remove the 3 long ones first and then the short ones. After all the screws are removed, remove this cover, and there's a connector, so press it and pull it down. That's off. So that is your power button and other sensors. Now take a plastic spuzzer and we're going to remove the screen from this cover. So basically what you have to do is take a plastic spuzzer and put in there and just run through all the edges. It's trickier in the corners. Run it and try to pull the glass back. Try to pull the actual screen out of the cover. Once you do that, pull the case out and lift the screen a little bit up and then take it from the bottom. Okay, so the case is out. I'm gonna show you. This is your power board, that is your main board, and this is your controller board for your screen. So on the power board you can check if these capacitors are blown, or these things, these resistors may be blown. We got the replacement for the power board, so I'm not much bothered about checking all these capacitors. And then at the end you have to check voltage flow as well on each component, so I'm not going to do that because it's going to take long. I found a good power board for 50 to 60 pounds, so I'm happy with that. So now basically remove this connector which comes from your main board. Your main board gets the power from this connector, so press the 2 latch and take it off. Your LED lights get the power from this cable, so press the 2 latch and pull it out. So when you are buying a power board, make sure you got the model number right. It's like I have got a L46F6340SS, DHS, or you can check on top of the power board. You can also see the model number L46X10, and then this is the board number BN4400 623 Bravo. So when you trying to find your power board, you have to look these model numbers and board number. So it's going to be same for all the 46-inch Samsung TVs. So now we're going to remove the number of screws that has been shown in the picture. So here I have the new board. So basically it's the other way around to assemble it. Put the screws back. Make sure don't over tight it. I'm using the setting 4 on my electronic screwdriver. If you are using the manual screwdriver, it should be hand tight. Alright, that's done now. So connect the connectors now. First one, your LEDs. Second one, the connector for your motherboard. So your motherboard gets power from this cable. So I'll quickly go through some more problems. If you don't get a sound, then most likely your speakers are faulty, and if your TV doesn't turn up, then that's your main board fault. And if your TV turns up but nothing on the screen, then that controller board is faulty. That's the basic troubleshooting for you guys. Now put the cover back and put all the screws back in. To put the cover back in, put the bottom part first. So you have to screen the lift the actual screen up and then put it on the cover, and put the top part. I'm going to put the 3 big screws first and then the rest of all. So that's all screws done. Now we're gonna connect the connector for power cable and sensor. And then put the cover back. Now we're gonna connect the stand back. Now let's connect the power cable. Now you can see the standby light. That means our power board is working. Let's turn the TV on. There you go. The TV is on now. The power issue is fixed. Everything working fine. Everything seems to be working good. Now the TV is all good. This has saved a lot of money, and I was going to throw the TV out, but after replacing the power board for £50, then it's all fixed and it's fully working now. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. And if you have enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe below. To keep up with more upcoming videos, hit the bell icon. Have a good time. Until next video, see you then. Bye bye.